Hey guys. Okay, I just wanted to show you what I got quickly. So, I got this twin cover from IKEA, and the letters are just in Sweden, and it's like black and white, and I really love them. I got these shades from looks so funny. Yeah, I got this from the duty free when I came back from Chicago. I got this album from Omegi, and they have like little pink velvety kind of color, kind of texture, and I'm in love with that. And I got this book, The Lost Boy. Basically, it's about the orphanage thing, and also it came with two bookmarks. This one is just like a pink kind of chain. This one is reduce, reuse, and recycle, and it has like recycling facts on the back. So yeah. And also, I got my grade 3 picture finally on a bookmark. That was when we didn't have uniforms, but now we do. I have, and this one I got from my school. The book and the bookmarks, both of them were from Chapters, and Mom got it for me. And this one's clean and clear oil absorbing sheet, and I got this one from No Frills Pharmacy because they have like a little pharmacy section. It's really cool. And I got both of these from No Frills Pharmacy. I had to buy this separate and this separate. So this one is Hawaiian Breeze. Yeah, Hawaiian Breeze from Febreze, and this one is the same thing from Febreze. I was thinking Christmas season's coming up. I was thinking of buying Mistletoe Magic. It's like a reindeer on it. It's really cute. And also, I got this Roxy perfume lotion, and it's in the scent lavender, and it's made in France. It's blue, and it smells really good, and look at that. I wish you guys could smell it, but okay. And also, oh yeah, I got this one from Garage. Yeah, the store. And also, I don't know why, but I got this one from Walmart. I got glue tape. Instead of getting white out, I got glue tape. It's sticky. It's really sticky. So yeah. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this 1 week haul. And soon I think I already posted Spook Book number 1 video, episode 1. And it's a Halloween tutorial, and I'll be doing those soon. And comment, like, no haters, and bye. Love you guys.